rugendo meisho hagati y'abahekera ba M23 hamwe n'amahege y'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo ruzingamize iby'ubushobozi mu district age. Abaturage mu district egi ubwahati bashobeirwe ububagumizengu baza kwitwa ubworo. Ahmed Saidi umuvugi wa motoka y'amashita agira ngo akatimbura umwihanga rya Kenya umurembo rwa Nairobi arukuzo mu town ya Goma yahambirwa abahekera aba M23 konka kuyamanyira makuru agabirigari yabiri naza yaca mu parking imotoka ye no kushityo bwirobu ashobereirwa hansharo
ibintu n'ibya export n'ibya transit toka bikwata kandi ngo bigara na Nairobi yondaruka gine kuzoba bakama yonkai yaba basharo gwenge bwo kwija kubyakira konka nabo tibini buhuru none bari yahayiruka so twine hope yone yakumanya ngo nyensa kare ninga ryari ahubwo tugendera ku information ngo tubasa kubaho ngo nyensa kare ninga ryari urutaro no rwahwira territoire so turyaho biri kuco mugongo yes nembere era amanya financial ways naho kuhira ka sente ka ako kutwara kahwera mu muhanda isaje cyo mu starving noraho batureta haro choro cyaro mizi so turyaho tukumayikiragenda mushi
abantu bagira ngo tubeyineho kwihe bintu birukozese bumagaraga butosha birume byo kuriya amezi utariho no kugira ngo nebyo buyonja hansharo biyo mu mberambi munonga
konera population y'abanyinshi kandi izindi zikije ateze zonga zo kushanga turi binji so nibyo byo twasaba government tiyanga hari echo toyiretse nanamizi gukozesa namanya what is life
ntabwo ari shiringi nyinshi twagize ngo imodoka iraye igomba gutanga ibihumbi 3 kandi ushaka ngo bayirinde akongeraho 2 by'umurinzi.
Burigira hari ya person w'intebe ya katanu aba district ya Kisoro Abel Bizimana agira ngo bwahate imodoka ebi bipakingira hitaka ya government muri Nyakabande.
People without Congo is like we are not anywhere. Because we cannot buy things for ourselves. His Excellency is the one who says he cannot sell milk to the Banyankore. He needs someone else to buy the milk. We also cannot buy our own products. Congolese will buy them. So, I wish my president to get concerned about the border and cross-border trade, whether he speaks to Kinshasa, whether he speaks to Kigali, whether he speaks to the rebels who have got Goma now, the capital of this region, whoever is responsible for making sure that people of Kisoro can cross the border and trade with people of Congo, please help us do that.
Ibyo bikiriyaho amahege y'ihanga ukurabira umugambirizi w'enkambi ya second vision Meja Chichoncho Tabaro bagira ngo ibyo kwirinda nsharo y'ihanga rya Uganda hamwe n'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo mu district ya Kisoro byemereye irege
imbere asharo yitu na Democratic Republic of Congo ninunji kandi abantu bita baburijo abasharo nibagumizamo no kora imirimo yabo ya burijo abahinji bari mu kwinga kandi twagera nabo abine businesses zabo no bukira abenti businesses aha international level zikaba hine nko kuzateganisibwe mu munonga konka abantu aside ya Uganda bari ni bakora imirimo yabo nkaburijo abarambuzi bari ni barambura kandi nitwa abamahe turiyo nitugezeho kureba ngo utagira abo bona abahekera aba ADF ninga abantu bona bari kwasakozesa omunshogo kugira ngo twine mpunje ziri kwijo mu Uganda bataho mu ihanga bija kuteganisa obusinje bw'abantu.
Ibyo bikiriyaho amahege y'ihanga ukurabira mu mugambirizi w'enkambi ya second vision Meja Chichoncho Tabaro bagira ngo ibyo kwirinda nsharo y'ihanga rya Uganda hamwe n'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo mu district ya Kisoro byemereye irege.
District security committees nabo bona ni bakora umurimo gw'amani kurengwa abantu abasharo baguma bari vigilant kandi tabaho abo bona abatuyere bariyo mu kugwana abo tukwasa kweta ex-combatants okukozesa omugisha okutaho mu Uganda no kuteganisa obusinge bwitwaho mu Uganda.
Uburutaro rukweyongera mu meisho abaturage abebembezi utiriho n'abari kuvuga imotoka ibihango biri kugenda gendo ndengwa benda ngo hagire cyakorwa urutaro rukwemerezwa abo kuba amagara y'abantu muri Kisoro ndagenda ngazo mukabi makuraga gasha kwa Adonia Ateye aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kisoro.